my name's Haley. I thought today I'd do a little get ready with me. I'm gonna be also putting on my UniWigs Claire topper. It's human hair. It's got an awesome lace front. So let me just get right into it. Okay, so makeup done now. So now is the last part in my makeup routine. I put on my hair topper. So it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Line it up with my part. Hold it down, clip it in. Got 2 more back here. Now I part this my hair over far to the left. I haven't done this yet, but this particular topper is a lace front and it has a mono base, so you can part it anywhere in that base there that I showed you. It looks amazing. I mean, I also recommend when you put your topper on, give it a nice little brush out so it blends with your hair. Also, I like to pull a little bit of my natural hair out this way. Super easy. So look back here. And say you've curled it or it's straight, whatever, you want to add a little something to it. I'm going to show you guys a couple styles you can do.